YouTube started channel termination. YouTube has officially started terminating channels, and if you're a small creator, you might be next. No, this isn't fear-mongering. This is a direct warning from YouTube itself, hidden in plain sight. I'm talking about the Spam, Deceptive Practices, and Scams Policy. A policy so brutal, it can wipe out your entire channel overnight, even if you think you're playing by the rules. Today I'm breaking down the 6 deadly mistakes that trigger instant termination, and I'll show you exactly how to protect your channel, starting now. So what's going on? Why is this policy suddenly so critical? Simple. YouTube is cracking down hard. They want real creators, real engagement, and real value. And any behavior that looks spammy, deceptive, or like a scam is getting the axe. This isn't just about big corporations. Small creators, desperately trying to grow, are often the ones accidentally falling into these traps. I've analyzed YouTube's official policy, and there are some critical nuances you absolutely must understand. Let's dive into the first and